Miller capacitance, a parasitic capacitor between the gate and the drain. When the MOSFET is turned off, the existence of Miller capacitance will cause the VDs of the MOS tube to produce a voltage change process from close to zero to the bus. This voltage change rate is dV dt. However, the capacitor is a device that acts on the voltage change. The voltage changes at both ends of the capacitor, which generates a current I. There is an insulator between GS, which is silicon dioxide. So there is a high impedance between GS, ranging from tens to hundreds of megahertz. Once the drive is abnormal, it may charge GS through the current at the Miller capacitor. Small current and high impedance may correspond to high voltage. The gate voltage is charged. When it exceeds the threshold voltage VGS, it will cause the MOSFET to turn on again, which is a very dangerous situation. You can see the MOSFET drive of this flyback power supply topology. It is the Miller capacitor current that is released through the internal pull-down, low-resistance circuit at the driver chip to prevent the gate from being charged high and causing a false turn-on. Here we know that there is already a discharge pull-down resistor inside the driver chip. But if the driving resistor RG is open, or not connected under unexpected circumstances, then the pull-down resistor can provide a discharge path for the Miller capacitor, so that the MOS tube GS maintains a low impedance and a stable and safe state. This is the important role of the pull-down resistor. The pull-down resistor has another function, pre-protection resistor. We know that the MOS tube GS is a high impedance, which is why it is an ESD-sensitive device. Its high voltage applied to the gate is not easy to discharge, and the accumulation process will damage the silicon dioxide layer between the GS poles, causing the device to fail. Therefore, the pull-down resistor also takes into account power consumption and actual discharge effect. Generally, the value of this resistor is about 10,000 to 20,000 in small and medium power supplies, and 4.7 to 10,000 for high power supplies. If you have any questions about MOSFET product technical solutions, you can leave a message in the comment area. I will give you the answer here. VBsemi-MOSFET manufacturer focusing on MOSFET R&D and manufacturing for 20 years.